The Aam Aadmi Party, which claims to be a party of the common man for the common man, is now itself batting for VIP culture. Well, the Kejriwal government issued a list of practices to be followed by officials while dealing with MPs and MLAs. As per the order, the officials have been asked to show courtesy and consideration to MPs and MLAs. The officials have been told to rise to receive the public representatives and see them off too. Arrangements will have to be made in advance to receive them in office if a visit is scheduled. Besides, the order says that proper seating arrangements should be made at public functions. Meanwhile, the BJP and Congress have lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party for this order.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस तरह के किसी भी सर्कुलर का समर्थन नहीं करती। ये वीआईपी कल्चर कम से कम सरकारों में हम सेवक के रूप में आए हैं। हम सरकार में किसी तरह की जो सामंतवादी व्यवस्था के रूप की जो चीजें हैं उनको खत्म करना चाहते हैं, और सेवक अगर आप हैं तो आपको इस तरह के प्रोटोकॉल की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
देखिए, ये आम आदमी पार्टी, मैंने पहले भी कहा कि जो इनके कार्य हैं, जिस तरीके से इनका नाम आप की जगह खाप होना चाहिए। ये खाप पार्टी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये खास आदमियों की पार्टी बन गई। आम आदमी की पार्टी किसी भी रूप में नहीं। जब आप आम आदमियों की तरह बर्ताव करने की बात को चुनाव से पूर्व करते हैं और चुनाव के होने के बाद में, जीतने के बाद आप सर्कुलर जारी करते हैं कि आपको सी ऑफ भी करना जाए और आपको वीवीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट आपको दी जाए, तो यह आम आदमी पार्टी को नाम अपना बदल करके खास आदमी पार्टी नहीं करे तो फिर और हम क्या डिमांड करें?
Well, what I'm going to do is cut across to my colleague Simi Pasha, but before that, let's quickly dip in to what the Chief Minister of Delhi had to say in his justification.
हम लोग दिल्ली से एक और नई किस्म की शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं। ये वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करना चाहते हैं जी। आप खुद ही बताओ, आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या कि जब सड़क के ऊपर से कोई बड़ा मंत्री जा रहा हो और सारी सड़क 1 घंटे के लिए बंद कर दी जाए, सारा ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाए? या आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या कि लाल बत्ती की गाड़ी लगा के कोई मंत्री पू 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 टू टू करता हुआ निकल जाए? मुझे पता चला है कई यूरोप के डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में, विकसित देशों में, वहां के प्रधानमंत्री आपको बस स्टैंड के ऊपर खड़े मिल जाते हैं।
All right, so this was when Arvind Kejriwal had taken oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi. I want to bring in Simi Pasha. Simi, what is the plausible explanation now given by the Aam Aadmi Party for giving out instructions such as the ones that they have?
Preeti, absolutely none. Aam Aadmi Party, the government, Delhi government has issued this circular saying that special care should be taken to acknowledge the presence of any VIPs amidst their midst. This is a circular that's been issued for bureaucrats saying that if any MP or MLA walks into your room, you should get up, stand up from your seat, receive them. You should also, while they finish the function and walk out, you should walk out and leave them, drop them to their car. Also saying that MPs and MLAs of areas should invariably be invited to any public function organized by a government office, saying that it's clarified that if a constituency of any MP or MLA is spread over more than one district, they should invariably be invited to all functions. Special and comfortable seating arrangements should be made for them. Also saying letters from MPs and MLAs must be promptly acknowledged. Now, this is of course a party that shot to power because it said it's a party of Aam Aadmi. Arvind Kejriwal, I remember lots of times, said that elected representatives are servants of the common man. They said we're public servants, we're here to serve the common public, but obviously they're looking for special privileges and special respect for themselves.
All right, stay on with me, Simi. We have Mr. Ilmi from the Aam Aadmi Party, Ijaz Ilmi, who's on the phone line with us. What do you make of it, sir?
Dr. Ijaz Ilmi from the BJP.
Yeah, I beg your pardon. Yes, from the BJP, sir. Tell me, what do you make of it, sir?
I think it's a VIP syndrome that has afflicted Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. It's the desire to get accepted, and obviously the power has gone to the head, and that is why such banal circulars are coming up. It is just a desire to get recognized, and with most of the MLAs in trouble and numerous of them having cases against them, it's just to make sure that you get noticed, that you can exercise influence. After having browbeaten the bureaucrats, it's an attempt to further browbeat them, and you can't demand respect in this country. You have to earn respect. This is an attempt to browbeat them and command by force their respect through circulars.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Dr. Ilmi. Well, the Congress and the BJP clearly taking on the Aam Aadmi Party for going back on what they had begun their campaign on and forming their government on that premise. Moving on now. Right ahead of the Delhi University student elections, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will shortly address the students at Talkatoora Stadium in the capital. Kejriwal's address holds significance as Aam Aadmi Party student wing Chhatra Yuva Sangharsh Samiti is contesting the Dusu polls. The Chief Minister's address is part of the DU Rock program, which is being organized by the Aam Aadmi Party for the students. The event is turning out to be a big extravaganza as Vishal Dadlani, Raghu Ram, Shilpa Rao, Jasleen Royal are all performing at the event. The performance has already begun at the stadium. All right, Simi, will you take us through on what we are witnessing at Talkatoora Stadium? I believe both the Deputy CM and the Chief Minister are in attendance.
Absolutely, Preeti. This is a big show of strength by the Aam Aadmi Party at the Talkatoora Stadium ahead of Delhi University elections. Interesting to note that Delhi University elections also have a budget. Every candidate should not exceed a certain amount of money that's spent in their campaigning. But here you have the Aam Aadmi Party in full force, spending a lot of money. They booked the Talkatoora Stadium. They've got the who's who of Bollywood. You've got, of course, Vishal Dadlani and other prominent celebrities as well who are campaigning for students. Also, Preeti, this is the first time that you're actually seeing a Chief Minister rally behind student candidates who are representing the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi level polls. You've never seen Sheila Dikshit come out and actually, speak to or sort of address students supporting NSUI candidates who are standing for Delhi University elections. You've never seen top BJP leaders do that. But Arvind Kejriwal here really sort of coming out and putting his weight behind the Aam Aadmi Party candidates. Important to note that the Aam Aadmi Party also realizes that most of its candidates are common youngsters. When Delhi elections happened, we saw how there was a group of young people who'd go from door to door campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party. So not only they're basically trying to achieve two goals with this strategy. A, they're trying to reach out to Delhi University students and also trying to create more volunteers for their party. A big show of strength. Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, actually turning up at the event where student candidates are expected to address crowds.
Well, you're right there, Simi. A big show of strength, but there would be a monetary cost attached to it. And how is it that Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, will explain that cost? I'm joined by Sudhanshu Mittal from the BJP. Mr. Mittal, what do you make of it? Massive show of strength in support of the Aam Aadmi Party. However, the operative word would be how much money has gone into this as well.
I don't think Mr. Kejriwal has any commitment to the law of land. The law of land as laid down by the Supreme Court is guided by the Lindell Committee recommendations regarding student union elections. There's an upper ceiling of expenditure of 5,000 rupees per candidate.
Yes, go ahead, yes.
What he's done is to blatantly violate all norms which have been laid down by the Delhi University for the conduct of Dusu elections. Can you imagine that Mr. Kejriwal, professing to propagate a new kind of politics, is bringing out the worst, what should not be in student politics, which is money, power, misuse of government, and all these things which should not be related to student politics. I just want to make one submission to Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal, if there is popularity of your students in the student community of Delhi University, let them fight a fair battle. Let them fight the battle on the norms which have been laid down by the Election Commission of the Delhi University. And don't show this naked display of money and muscle power and the misuse of government machinery for the purpose of winning an election. I think it is highly deplorable.
All right, appreciate you joining us there. We're going to keep trying and getting reactions there, especially from the Chief Minister. And how does he explain the amount of money that has gone down in the name of student DU elections there?